Do you want to go from this to this in just 10 days? You are in right place. I will share all tips and tricks how to maintain weight loss. So let's dive in. Weight loss. Tips for effective weight loss. Today's topic is important to most of you. These tips will definitely help you to transform your body from this to this. Healthy eating. First things first, let's talk about healthy eating. Emphasize the importance of including fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Meal planning. Planning your meal can prevent impulsive eating. Control your portions. Not starving yourself, you can still have the food you love, but be control of portions. Like, instead of eating a full pack of chips, grab a small one and enjoy it. Also change white bread into brown bread. Stay active with regular exercise. Exercise doesn't have to be boring. Find something you love. This activity can include walking, running, cycling, and swimming. 150 minutes of moderate aerobic or 0.75 minutes of vigorous activity each week. Now, when it comes to moving your body, don't do crazy workout that feel you tired or punishment. Instead of doing something you enjoy, whether it's dancing, trust me, it's work. Stay hydrated. Yes, hydration is crucial in weight loss journey. Drinking enough water can aid digestion and curb hunger. You can also add lemon and cucumber in water. Get enough sleep. Most of you think why sleep is important in weight loss journey. Lack of sleep can hinder weight loss efforts. As per study, 8 hours of sleep is very crucial. And most important, avoid screen timing before bed. Manage stress. Chronic stress can lead to gain weight. Stress-reducing techniques like meditation, yoga, deep breathing, or other hobbies you enjoy. Be consistent. Understand that weight loss is a gradual process. Make healthy habits a lifestyle change. Avoid fad diets and quick fixes. Stick to your healthy habits even on weekends or holidays to maintain consistent. Or for better results, the right shoes can prevent injuries and improve your performance. Choose shoes which are comfortable. Choose the right fabric. Fabric matter a lot to look smart. Choose fabric like polyester, nylon, and spandex. I hope these weight loss tips will help you to lose weight. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share. Until next time.
Bye.